Neat.
We hit a wall with doing that. It's got like some fueling issues, so it's getting picked up in a second, and I'll be back on the road soon. Yeah, I don't think I've ever had this car this low. God, that shit look crazy on the phone. Yeah, it's pretty smooth. This shit pretty damn smooth. These niggas having a holy water bottle.
Come on, let's get it. I got some nice holy water. Yeah, let's get it.
Mine from Kirkland's. Sponsor me.
1, 2, 3.
What should we do, crowd?
Crowd. You better talk to your damn self. He asking the crowd. Come on, pal. You wasting my time. I'm about to put the top back on.
Squint his eye. Stupid. New dash is in though. Another word. New dash is in. That bit looking good. Looking real good. Now we wait. Dang. I forgot to tell y'all I was putting this dashboard in, and I meant to show you how I put it in. Guys, I'm gonna be on this much better in the near future. We do things, and I'm not thinking about recording it. That's my thing. I'm not thinking, hey, record this. They want to see this. People want to see this. I'm not thinking about that. I'm just like, I want my new dashboard in. I'm just like, I want to put the core, I just do things and just do it. I don't think about recording. I'm gonna show you where we at right now, because now it's drying, so I can show you a little bit of something. Ooh, it smells like glue in here. That's the Injuku Racing Coverlay Dash. I got the black one. I mean, it looks pretty good. Let's get in. Looks really good, actually. Yeah. Setting around this set's real nice. Gap right there. Barely. Yeah, it's really good though. I like. Yeah, the interior is already looking up 100% fresher than me. But you know what I'm saying? Looking pretty good. That was the motion for today. Now that the coilovers are on, control arms are on, dashboard coverlay is on, we fixed the power steering, AC is blowing ice cold. Ooh. Yeah, now that all that is taken care of, yeah, I mean, still gotta match the coilover sides. All the coilovers are not equally balanced. The fronts are good, but look at this. So this is about the height we want to put it at, and the reason so is just because you can't goddamn, you gotta have a little bit of style, and the front as well. The front's the same. Probably have I'm gonna leave that because I think the front's a lot different, because this is actually really low. I mean, my hand barely fits under there, and this is not supposed to be no stand out car. So I think the front is good how it is. I like it. In the rear, I want to match the other side to that. So we'll be lowering the other side. See, monster trucking on this side. But other than that though, all the other coilovers are good. Just that one needs to be matched. Before you go. Got an exhaust. Thank the Most Highs. One fell out the skies. Don't mind the junk pile, we be out at the tracks. We got the canopy and the chairs and the toolbox and all the good stuff, but all that, But yeah, so you already know we got the ISIS exhaust for this thing. It's used, but hey, it's gonna work. It's gonna work. I'm not sure if I'll put it on, but if I do, I'll make a little video of it.